Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about something very important. Hiroshima Day. This day is remembered in every year on August 6. It marks the anniversary of the atomic bomb that was dropped on the city of Hiroshima in Japan during World War II in 1945. On this day, we remember the people who lost their lives and the impact of the World War on our world. It's a time to think about how we can work towards peace and make sure such a tragedy never happens again. The bomb caused great destruction, but it also showed the power of working together for peace. People from all over the world came to help rebuild Hiroshima, and now it is a city of hope and peace. Hiroshima Day reminds us that we should always choose kindness and understanding over fighting. We can all do our part by being kind to each other and promoting peace in our schools and communities and around the world. Let us remember Hiroshima Day as a lesson that encourages us to create better, more peaceful future. Thank you.